BGS are carrying out a methane baseline survey at the moment ahead of any potential exploitation of shale gas in the UK. And the reason we're doing that baseline survey is so that we can understand what the concentrations of methane and other chemical indicators are in groundwater ahead of any disturbance that may be caused by the shale gas activity. We undertake baseline surveys as part of our research portfolio anyway, and have published quite a number of reports in the past looking at baseline quality in groundwater, and that information has been used by the UK government and the Environment Agency to establish environmental quality standards for groundwater as part of the European Water Framework Directive. So we're well experienced at measuring the natural conditions in the groundwater. And the reason we're doing this is, as I say, to enable us to look at any changes that may occur as a result of the activity that takes place associated with shale gas. And methane occurs in the environment naturally, and there are a number of sources. And clearly shale gas exploitation is all about exploiting the methane that is trapped in the shales. And we're perhaps more familiar with North Sea gas and the exploitation of gas from the North Sea. But as I say, there are very many different sources of methane, and what we're trying to do is build up a picture of what the situation is currently before the disturbance of the ground, and look at the different types of gas and try to understand the sources of those gases that we find. And it's worth sort of describing that, explaining that there are these sources of gas include the deep geological gases such as North Sea gas and the shale gases that we're looking at here, but also methane is produced in the shallow subsurface through peat bogs, marshes, and also landfills produce methane as well. So it's important that we're able to differentiate between the different sources of gas, and we can do that by looking at a range of chemical indicators and composition of the gas. And in that way we can differentiate the sources